This is my Retique furniture kit. This is ideal for creating those faux wood looks on top of furniture that are so hot right now. I'm going to be playing a video of me creating one myself. And what comes in this kit, I've got the wooden primer in the light color. This is what you'll put on first. You'll wait for that to dry, and then you pick one of the Retique stains depending on what look you're going for. Now you can rub these on, or you can use wood graining tools to apply these. I like to use the wood graining tools and the one that I just did. So I use the color Weathered Wood. It's got some gray tones in it, as you can see, and then I finished it off with the stain that's in Pickled Oak just to help tone it down a little bit. There are so many stain colors to choose. So just go through and look at all the different ones that they have and pick the one that you think is going to work best for your project. These two are really in style right now, so I'm glad that I got these two, and it goes really well over the top of that light wood primer. Just really creates those really cool wood top looks that are really in style right now, and I sell a lot of those looking pieces in furniture because it's really nice in my area. That's not what I'm trying to say. These stains are water-based stains, so there's a lot of open time when you're creating, and you can easily wipe them back and try the technique that you're doing again. There's also a QR code on the top, so you can scan that at any time and get help with your project, which is really nice, and see some more step-by-step instructions teaching you how to do this. So if you are a DIYer and someone looking to create those faux wood looks that are really in style right now, you definitely want to check this out.